Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Greetings, AliShanMao here. Welcome to the apartment side park. It's getting dark and I believe it's right time for me to test the Hubsan Zino Mini Pro, fly it at night and see how good is the camera when it comes to night shots, the aerial films or videos shot at night and the still shots taken with the Hubsan Zino Mini Pro. So I'm gonna fly it and shoot some 4K and 1080p video clips and some still shots right here in this park, and you can watch and see by yourself how good is the camera. If the camera quality needs to be improved or not, we'll discuss that later. So let's get it ready, let's fly it and have some fun with it. Okay, right after takeoff, there was a question before by someone that the horizon looks kind of crooked, not exactly level. So I'm just gonna shoot a video right here while the quadcopter is hovering. I'll just climb it up a little bit, okay, so that, you know, if there are some people, I can avoid them. And check this out, hold on. As soon as I went up, you can see the LED light has been turned on, okay. So the light is automatic. Once, you know, it detects dark, the light turns on all by itself, and you can see down here all the area is illuminated and the quad is actually hovering very, very solid now. Just now the light wasn't on, but when I climbed up, the light turned on automatically. And it's very, very visible light, as you can see. When I'm going up, you can see the drone in the sky very, very well. However, question here is how much battery that light is actually using. So anyway, I'm just gonna keep it at this altitude and record a clip right here. Just give me a moment. I will record my phone screen. Okay, as you can see on the video clip, let me just put myself away from, so that, you know, there's a place on the screen. I think the horizon is proper. There's no problem with the horizon here. However, if you think horizon needs correction, you can click on this icon right here, and now you have a gimbal horizontal correction. You can actually move and you can see the gimbal is actually correcting itself. I think I have just crooked it. I have tilted it much more than I needed. So I'm gonna put it back to 0 and to this side. And you can see my point is clear here, that if you feel during flight the gimbal is not horizontal, you know, you can easily correct it using this feature right here. To turn the obstacle avoidance on and off, you can turn it on and off right from here. And now I can test it if it detects or not. So I'm just gonna go forward, okay. It says the ambient light is too dark and maybe the obstacle avoidance might not work, but anyway, I'm gonna bring it to the forward side to myself and see if it detects me or not. It just detected. Just now it wasn't detecting me, but now it actually detected me and it's stopping. It's not going forward, okay. You can see from the image it's not going any forward. Let me test the rear obstacle avoidance, okay. So I'm just gonna go farther and then bring it backward to me, and this time I want you to watch the quad, okay. And I'm gonna bring it, it's detecting the people in front of it, okay. I'm gonna bring it backward and it stopped right there. I'm pulling full back, but it's not coming backward. So obstacle avoidance is working at night. As I went up to 6.1 meter, the light turned off. So I'm just gonna come backward right here, and I'm coming down. Light just turned on. You saw how it illuminated me. Light just turned on, and again it's a solid hover right there. And as I go up, you might see the light turned off. This is nice. So it will save battery, it won't use battery. At a certain altitude it will turn on the downward facing LED, so it can do very, very nice positioning. Let me show it to you again right here. So quad is right there up, and I'm bringing it down. And there you go, the light turns on. Very nice feature, man. I'm simply loving it. And now I'm gonna go up. And light turns off. How cool is that, right? Okay, so I'm just gonna bring it down and see if it will record me or not. I'm actually very dark right here. I'm sitting here in a very dark area. Okay, so let me just check all the features of night shots. I will do only stock settings, auto settings. I will not do any manual settings, and take the shots on stock settings only. Sit back, relax, and enjoy these shots.
Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.